is for apple shining so bright. B is for baby sleeping all night. C is for candy sweet as can be. D is for diamond sparkling on me. E is for elephant big and strong. F is for fairy with a magical song. G is for glasses helping me see. H is for hand that's holding on tight to me. From I to Z we'll sing along, learning letters through this song. Every word will rhyme just right, dancing through Sunday to night. I is for igloo, cold and white. J is for jelly, wiggling with delight. K is for keyboard, playing a tune. L is for ladybug under the moon. M is for monkey, swinging so high. N is for needle, sewing the sky. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for pony, galloping round. From I to Z we'll sing along, learning letters through this song. Every word will rhyme just right, dancing through from day to night. Q is for queen wearing her crown. R is for rainbow shining back down. S is for spider spinning with care. T is for tiger, stripes so rare. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for violin, playing nearby. W is for whale, swimming so free. X is for xylophone melody. From I to Z we'll sing along, learning letters through this song. Every word will rhyme just right, dancing through from day to night. Y is for yo-yo, going